So when you ride this thing, do you like? No, do you start moaning?
I don't like Lizo at all.
Oh! Do you guys think that we should get Jake Botch on an actual dirt bike at an actual track? There's a track in near Miami that you could rent bikes and gear.
Rent bikes and gear, like
everything. You literally just show up and you could rent a bike, any bike you want, 2-stroke, 4-stroke, any brand, anything.
Yeah, but I could just use yours and crash it into a wall.
I would rather you not do that because it's already mangled right now.
Fuck up the whole wheelbase.
I know. Right now my bike is still blown up.
Still not.
So sorry guys for lacking the gas content because I've been giving you guys electric.
Gay.
Gay.
So gay.
It's so funny, bro. I'll tell you what, guys. I talk a lot of shit on the Starks, but I gotta give it to them. It's a great bike. It's a great bike, but at the end of the day, everybody talks about how it's less maintenance to own one of the Starks. But I would rather carry gas around and change an air filter and change oil in my bike than carry around a 500-pound fucking generator and I still have to put gas in the generator. And the stands for the Starks are like 50 fucking pounds.
Makes no sense.
Makes no sense. You literally have to put gas in the generator for the bike to work.
To charge the bike.
Yeah. But we're going to try to get Botch to Pastrana land when my bike is all fixed up.
So doing a backflip.
Would you actually do it? Attempt it?
Into the pit?
Foam
pit, yeah.
On a pit bike?
Yeah.
We got to make that happen.
I don't know, on a pit bike, I don't know. Is the thing going to land on me like?
No, you'll be fine.
Watch me do it.
If you could do it, I could do it.
Do you think you could double backflip a tricycle?
No, I don't think I can double it.
That slightly impressive?
I'm too muscular.
Fuck out of here, too muscular, bro. There's no shot.
You gotta be a skinny guy.
Welcome back to another YouTube video. I don't know what this video is going to be mixed with, but it's probably going to be some crazy ballsy content, like always.
Yay!
Gay content. I'll tell you what, you guys have been absolutely crushing the views on the videos. You guys have been staying active on the comments, the likes. I like what I'm seeing, man. I like what I'm seeing because I'm not gonna lie, before you guys were drier than the Sahara Desert in my comment section. So the fact that you guys are showing love, I appreciate that. And the fact you guys are rocking the best merch in the game, showing so much love to me and Johnny and the channel. We appreciate you. Make sure you guys are following Johnny on IG. Road to 10K for Johnny's Instagram, Johnny_edits. Make sure you follow me, Jakey Botch. He is the fucking mayor of Staten Island. Greatest content creator of all time. If you haven't seen him, make sure you check him out. And yeah, I don't know what this is gonna entail, but probably,
it's gonna be a good one, boys.
Where are we at right now?
We're in fucking horrible New Jersey.
And make sure you guys are following In the Bleeds. That's our next sports show that we got going.
In the Bleeds.
Johnny, make sure you put the @ in the video.
We're in the studio right now.
And guys, let me know if you guys want to see me go on a date with Lizo. Yo, Lizo.
She's been losing weight.
Yo,
I just saw something.
I made a video on it. She's losing followers because her followers are upset with her that she's losing weight.
She's not
What the
fat.
fuck?
What's the word?
Like,
she's not proud to be fat anymore.
Yeah, but
That's
like me
That's
starting
going to church and you starting to be like a good guy. Like, you know, people don't want that from you.
Yeah, but I
He
don't
is a good guy though.
That's like
Deep
me.
down.
That's like me, like blowing up, doing drugs, which is absolutely terrible. And I
going to
try to
AA
be
meetings.
sober, and everyone's like, "Oh, fuck you, bro! You're trying to be sober." Yeah, I don't want to die, dude. Like, what the fuck is that? You're gonna bitch at someone for trying to better themselves?
They want her to be high cholesterol, bro. Kentucky Fried
Do
Chicken.
you like
cholesterol.
fat Lizzo or in shape?
I don't like
Lizzo?
Lizzo at all.
Okay.
Fat, skinny, medium. He's an industry plant, bro.
You think?
Definitely. All these people are
I
industry
think that
Bobby Altoff.
Yeah, I was just
all
gonna
those fucking
say.
people are
industry
industry
plant.
plants.
Major.
we got Uncle Tone here.
Is this the Duke vlog?
Yeah.
This is the Duke vlog. Hey fellas, what number are we up to? Thank you guys for tuning in. Episode 65. We've been going strong. 65 weeks. No breaks.
Who is this guy?
Nothing.
All gas?
Tune in. More dirt bikes.
Let's get into the video.
Fellas, what is new to the channel? Yo, we got a lot of new faces that are discovering the channel that me and John have been seeing. Look who's calling us. Guy of the hour, Mr. Aussie himself. Yo, where you at, bro? Yo, I just wanted to ask you real quick before I get to your house. How do my balls taste?
How's my dick taste, huh?
Your dick probably tastes a little bit better than my nutsack, pal. Yo, say hi to the vlog. You're being recorded right now on national TV.
Oh, am I?
Yeah. Yo, did you end up putting my my website on your graphics, or did you scam me?
Nah, I scammed you.
I figured that. I send the guy fucking $500 worth of merch and I get nothing in return. Typical Aussie move. Yeah, so that's Aussie, guys. For those of you that don't know him, he's a cool guy, very talented kid, very young kid. I think he's like fucking 12 years old or something. He's definitely pretty young. Definitely a lot more talented than me on a dirt bike. I will be flat out honest with that. We are currently going to his house right now. Aussie's very good at riding Surons. He's pretty much good at riding everything. I'm glazing the shit out of the kid right now, but I will give him credit where credit's due. And he's gonna do a pretty cool jump today. So that's what we got on the agenda. And we are road to 100K on the YouTube channel. We gave away $500 to the $50,000 random subscriber winner. This time for 100K, we're gonna give a random subscriber $1,000. So make sure you're subscribing to the channel. Also, make sure you're buying merch at DukeGomez.com, the best quality merch in the game.
Yo, I was sitting on the toilet just now, and I'm scrolling.
That popped up.
Popped up.
Cool.
I'm like, all right.
What video was it? Did you like it? I feel like
No,
you
I
showed
don't.
no love to my shit.
I just
Why?
simply don't, because you're a simple douchebag. Look, he's still
Look,
playing music.
This is why you get bad karma with shit, with like online stuff, because you don't show support to your friends.
Dude,
Are you even my friend?
we're not friends.
We're not friends at all?
Dude,
I'm not even
check
gonna
out-
put your ad in the
Check
video.
out what this guy's wearing.
Yo, did you ever see my knees? You ever see what I could do with my knees?
What's that? What the fuck?
Yo, who do you work for?
I don't know.
How are you gonna have Cody be your boss? That's kind of gay, no?
Do we not
Having
want
a
to talk?
boss?
Who's your boss? Who's your boss?
Bald guy. You got a better hairline than Mr. Turkey. So this is, I don't even know, when did you get this? Why do you even have this?
Probably about a year now.
I
Yeah.
thought you were against Stark stuff.
Nah, they're pretty sick.
Did they pay you?
No.
So you had to pay for this? They didn't give it to you?
No, I got it for free from Nibby, that company on the side.
Is this shit fucking? Oh, that's
Yeah,
pretty
should go
sick.
to
It has
Schoolyard.
that fucking.
Wait, you forgot to return this?
Yeah. Well, Wally Palmer raced this in Tennessee. Best whip, and he fucking used to eat
Oh,
it.
yeah.
So that's him. He raced this at some hard enduro race. Fucked it up, bro. Like,
I have to ride one this weekend at Day in the Dirt because my bike took a
yeah,
shit.
they're fun.
You don't ride with the pedal brake?
No,
You
dude.
do the handbrake? This thing's mangled.
Yeah.
So what are you jumping today? You doing it too?
Yeah.
You told me you're sketchy.
Oh, I'm sketchy. I might crash.
That's Sketch Boy RD?
Yeah. That's what
Bro,
they
we
call
need you to crash so that we have clickbait for the
Dude,
video.
you thought your leg was bad? We'll break a hip or something.
Have you done that? Broke your hip?
No.
Oh.
No, I will though. I'm not
I don't
scared.
I don't recommend the femur though, bro. That
No,
shit hurt.
None of that shit's happening.
Femur's brutal.
That shit did not feel
I
good.
saw you could chicken leg now.
So when you ride this thing, do you like
No, it
do you start moaning?
It hangs. Like
Why
the,
do I feel like you
the thing
do you
hangs?
moan when you wipe your ass after you shit?
Yeah, I definitely do.
definitely do, right?
Yeah. What about you? You do too?
I use a bidet, so I don't really wipe. I try not to.
We don't got it like that.
Yeah, you guys don't got the
You
luxury
know,
shit.
some of us don't got it like that. That's all I,
I don't
can
got
say.
it. I still work, bro. Look at my hands. I did asphalt all day today. Looks like I went 8 rounds with my cock in bed. See my hands? And they're actually, I got manly hands, unlike you. Let me see yours. What'd you do today? Dug holes?
No, I actually sat on my phone all day.
While Cody bosses you around?
No, I actually sat there and just
Who does the most amount of work? You or Deegan?
definitely me.
Definitely you? You do more than
Definitely.
Deegan? Ooh, it's because of the hair.
Definitely.
It's because of the hair.
Dude, that thing
Oh
looks
my god, that
toasted.
thing's a piece of shit. Yo, that was probably Cody's dad's helmet back in the 60s.
Dude, you know how
That's what he-
you know how I have to get this helmet to fit?
Over the hat, but
Over
don't
the
ruin
hat.
that hat. That's a nice hat.
Why over the hat?
Because it's
Bro,
too
there's
big.
On there.
Oh.
Probably fucking shit's living in there right now.
Dude,
It's because we're not getting urban.
we actually
That's why.
We haven't ridden. Where are those, dude? Where are those? You won't
There
be
you
able
go.
to see. You know when
There
the
you
sun's
go.
coming down.
No, we could just take the camera.
You know what FMF stands for? And the guy reached out and told me it's fuck my face.
That's actually funny as shit. What the fuck?
That's what I want you to do, bro. Fuck my face. Where are those?
Yo, you look real good with that in your hand.
Thanks, bro. I'm gonna be useful with it. Are we bringing this? We making jump?
You might.
We might as well.
Youngins are just retards.
Yo,
man.
so easy to wheelie.
All right, let me see.
Stand up on it.
I should hit this dick's fucking truck.
You know what's crazy? I can do that. You think you're cool when you do shit like that? Or is it something that like
It's
the
like
chicks did?
it's almost like it almost scratches the same itch as like posting on YouTube and shit.
You have a girlfriend now, so she probably really likes the shit you do.
Yeah, she loves it.
Oh,
Yeah,
God.
it's fantastic.
Makes me wanna know.
Load that thing up!
fresh paint.
The fresh paint. We got buttery vibes.
Oh!
Hold on a minute. We don't need fresh new tires before we go. Who do you use for your tires?
Yeah, I just get Dunlops.
You don't get them free? All right, guys, can we send Aussie some free Dunlop?
Yeah, in need.
Blowing on that carpet, how's a lad, and she jazz me. Ain't that bitch, I fucked her name, she called me dad.
What a fucking
bag!
That's how you know he's gay.
The guy's showing his ass. Oh!
No way.
Mike's laying down on the ground. I guess it fell on the ground. There's a cop! There's a cop! Yeah!
What is this?
All right, guys. So
Remember when Duke said he jumped to school? Well, now these guys are actually jumping to
yeah,
school.
well, the jump that I did for that video that you guys shitted on me on was like half the size of this.
They're jumping from
They're jumping
that
from
side
here. That's pretty fucking big.
over to there.
What side do you come from? There?
You come from in this and then out. This is
Jump
the small
this
one.
way?
No, you jumped that one.
Oh,
Oh,
that
you don't
one.
jump this.
No, this one's a small one.
This is the small one?
Yeah. There's a landing probably another 45 feet. That way.
What if you jumped this and then that?
There's no pop on that one.
I know there's no lip, right?
Yeah.
He
that's
jumps
the
it
only
too?
problem. He'll probably jump that one. I never hit it. I was hurt last time we tried to hit it.
And you tried that? You've done this?
No, I never hit it.
Oh my.
I was hurt last time.
Bro, that's big.
So you guys are gonna get the raw footage today. I told him I'm not even gonna film.
The guy's driving. You look like you're driving the loaded diaper from.
Listen, bro, I don't get paid as much as Johnny, alright?
The guy's driving the loaded diaper. All right, Roger.
Everyone says, dude.
I like that pole. You ever sit on it and make it disappear?
It's for midgets, midget strippers. Real shit. Nah, it's a train.
Wait, you're doing no shirt?
I was thinking it
You're
too.
not even ripped.
Give him you
You know what you look like? You look like Baljeek from Phineas and Ferb.
you.
No, dude.
You're not Indian.
No.
What are you?
Spanish boy.
I could totally see you getting me a Slurpee.
No way. There's no way. Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, he did it right away already.
What?
Heel clickers and shit. It really doesn't seem that bad.
No way he's going for it.
Yo, well, you gotta hold that thing, dude.
Actually, are you wide open?
On a dirt bike, yeah, you gotta hold it.
This thing's probably nothing, right?
No, I could jump down in the gully and just.
You make it into the
You
downside?
almost just did right there. Did he come short on it?
So clean. Slid down.
Are you good?
Yeah, we got out clean.
Oh my god.
I locked up.
You just see me launch the parking lot.
I saw that, dude.
I
got
kinda-
up and saw Aussie jump. I thought he was gonna come and try and land on me.
Bro.
Yo, what did I say when we were on the way?
Oh, you
Yo,
clicked
send me
this
that. Send me that.
Bro,
I told you it's gonna be heavy if we crash, but I got out clean that time. So.
We gotta go to the other one. You'll be like, what the fuck?
Is it far?
No, I don't think
10
so.
minutes.
You got your phone on you?
But it's different though. This one
It
looks,
goes into a ditch and then you come out of it and
Dude.
into a leach field.
So realistically, we're gonna be real. It's into some dude's like backyard.
You did it?
Well,
Yeah,
he
he
saw us, but he wasn't too
He heard
happy
me on
about
125.
it. Yeah.
No, I was just like, yeah.
Hey, buddy, like, I'm
Nah.
just gonna hit this wide open one at 125. I want to get my knees dirty.
I put him. I go, yo. We're just getting out of here, buddy.
Alright, so we're at the Duke, we're at the second spot now. This thing is huge.
Apparently, this one's bigger than the other one. That's fucking.
There.
This is the local. Yeah, this is.
See those white things? Past there.
It's not
golf. This looks like a golf course.
Nah, it's just a school, and he wants to go, but
I feel to have my cock and balls on the fender of an e-bike.
yo, let me suck that.
Hey, you're learning, man. You're learning.
Oh my.
Way short. So this spot, it's at a school, and they just got hills everywhere for some reason. And one day we were actually looking for a different spot. Punched the wrong spot into the GPS. Ended up here. We look around. I find this. I'm like, yo, that's our hit. He's like, I'm with it. We're on a 125 two-stroke. Comes in pinned and clears it.
Oh. Holy shit. Oh my god.
What's up? Oh yeah, we're just getting out of here. No,
Watch out.
No. We're getting out of here right now. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here. Don't worry. We'll be gone. We're just getting a few last clips. All right, we're getting out of here.
Getting out of nowhere, bro. This guy.
That guy doesn't know who we're here with.
Dude, we're here with me, bro. I get everybody out of trouble. We get in trouble, all you gotta do is go to DukeGomez.com, buy a t-shirt, and help us out, man. Let me get your money.
He's taking a photo of us.
That's all right. That's all right.
Should we like pose for it?
No, wait. Get the shot of him getting the shot of us. Yeah.
Guys, I'm so glad that I didn't have to ride today and risk my life. We used our test dummy here, and he did a decent job. I mean, he's got a pretty long neck. I feel like he's the type of guy that if he drank milk, it would expire by the time it got to his stomach. Pretty long neck of his. 2% or whole? It don't matter. Anyway, folks, thank you guys always for tuning in. Thank you to the boys for showing out, showing up, and showing cock. Make sure you go to DukeGomez.com. You pull your credit card out. You put your 16 digits of the credit card information on my website so that I could take your money to afford John. Thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe, send nudes, and fuck off. Boom!